This video is brought to you by Omaze. Samsung might do something they have never done before. What's up guys, we're back, and if there's one thing that Samsung has yet to tap in, it's in the gaming smartphone market. There has never been a better time in history for a Samsung branded gaming smartphone than now because of AMD. They can seriously make an insane gaming smartphone. So this news is because of the recent trademark that Samsung filed that shows that they are probably working on a gaming smartphone. Courtesy of Let's Go Digital, we've got two brand new trademarks. One says activate fan mode, and then there's a new one that was filed just a few days ago which says unleash your fan power. Judging from the trademarks, it seems like Samsung could indeed bring a gaming smartphone with a big fan and enhanced cooling system in the future. Samsung flagship smartphones have great hardware, but it's definitely not gonna beat a full-fledged thick gaming phone with a huge fan and cooling system when it comes to long-term gaming. It doesn't matter what variant of Galaxy S21 Ultra you have, long hours of gaming sessions, especially in this summer heat, these phones will get hot and their ability to not throttle is definitely going to be affected compared to a traditional gaming smartphone with a full-fledged cooling fan system. So like I said, there's never been a better time. Samsung and AMD, they're cooking something big. We've heard that there could be more than one Exynos processors with AMD graphics, so let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now we've got a massive confirmation regarding the Google Silicon coming from the software code for the upcoming Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro. Before we get into that, I want to give a big thanks to the sponsor of today's video, Omaze. Guys, the ultimate opportunity is here. Your dream PC can become a reality. Yes, win $20,000 to level up your home PC and treat yourself to the top of the line gear, from monitors, processors, and headset to graphic cards and all the RAM you can imagine. You can build the ultimate machine for gaming, graphic designing, or pretty much anything. Now this huge campaign also supports a great cause, a charity called Gamers Outreach. This charity provides recreation to children in hospitals through the power of video games and the gaming community. So your donation can help ease the burdens of hospitalization by providing equipment, technology, and software that can help kids cope with the long-term treatment. So what are you waiting for? To potentially win the prize and support the great cause, go to omaze.com/ztechcare. The link is down below in the description. Okay, so as we know, Google Silicon is happening for the first time. I talked about this in the previous video that Google might be using Exynos 1080 combined with their own camera ISP and their own Pixel Neural Engine on top. Well, we've got some confirmation coming via XDA. They found this in the source code that Google is indeed using a Mali GPU, same as the Galaxy S21 series, on the upcoming Pixel 6 family. We're not sure if it's a 14-core or 24-core version. We're not sure about the clock speed, but it is indeed the Mali G78 graphics. Now this is definitely a good news because it is indeed a flagship GPU, and personally I'm very satisfied with the gaming performance of the Exynos 2100 model of the S21 family. So in my opinion, the Pixel 6 family will do just fine, especially with pure Android 12 on top, where there's better CPU and GPU management and faster animation. The gaming performance will be miles better than what they did last year. So judging from the Mali GPU and the fact that this chip is built on Samsung's 5nm architecture, it's very likely it could be the Exynos 1080 chip with Google's own stuff on top. Now lastly, previously owned Huawei sub-brand Honor is making a big comeback with Google services. One of the most interesting things about these phones is that the Honor 50 Pro Plus could offer 100-watt super fast charging. That is an absolute monstrous number when it comes to fast charging. Along with Google services, Honor will be using for the first time Qualcomm's latest flagship, the Snapdragon 888. Although Huawei doesn't own Honor anymore, but if you look at the design, it looks very similar to the upcoming Huawei P50 Pro. Hopefully we can see the same tech, because with Google services, this could actually be a really good deal. So yeah, that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. A gaming smartphone from Samsung in the future, honestly, it might just be the best thing. Drop your thoughts and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.